If you have a WordPress website and want to duplicate it for another domain, this video is for you. Now I have this WordPress website, which is a blog website, as you can see, and I want to have this exact design on another domain. Let me show you how we can achieve that. By the way, if you want to make a blog website like this, I'll have a video link in the description down below that will walk you through how you can create this exact blog website. Without wasting further time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is to install WordPress on the new domain I want to copy this website onto. Before I clone this website, let me show you how you can get your very own custom domain name and web hosting where you can have a copy of your website onto. If you already have a domain and a web hosting, you can go ahead and skip this part. But if you don't have, let me quickly show you how you can get a hosting registered. Now if I go over to a new tab, then I enter dikupages.com/hostinger. Hit enter. It will take you to hostinger.com. Here you'll be getting a 75% discount off your web hosting. Apart from this, I'll also be giving you a 10% discount code which you can leverage on to get additional discounts. So going down, these are the three various plans they have at the moment. They have the premium, business, and cloud startup. With the premium, you'll be able to host 25 websites, 50 websites for the business, and then 100 websites for the cloud startup. Choosing any of this will depend upon your requirement. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and use the business plan. So I click on choose plan. Here, you go ahead and choose the period you want. The higher you go, the lesser you pay. But for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and stick to 12 months. And with this, you'll be able to get a free domain for 1 year. Going down, you notice that your subs total was going to be $207, but because of the 75% discount, you'll be paying $60. Remember I said I'll be giving you additional coupon code you can use to get 10%. This way I click on have a coupon code, then I enter SWADIKU, that is the coupon code, then I click on apply. And you see that I've gotten additional 10% discount. Isn't this cool? All is set. I click on continue. From here, I enter in my billing details, click on continue, and also go ahead and make the payment. When that is done, you'll be redirected to your Hostinger cPanel. So let me quickly go over to my cPanel. Having logged into your cPanel, the next thing you want to do is go over to websites. Then from here, you see that I have a bunch of websites. In your case, you won't have any website as yet. All you need to do is go ahead and click on add website. Then you go ahead and choose WordPress. In here, you go ahead and choose your login credentials. The email address you use to sign up on Hostinger will be populated here. If you don't want to use it, you can go ahead and change that. Next is password. I'll just change it. Then I click on next. From here, you can choose to create your website with AI or choose a pre-built website and themes. For this demonstration, I'll create a blank site. And this is where I enter my domain name. So I enter fanpreneur.tv. From here, you see that your domain name will be populated here. If the domain name is not already registered, Hostinger will give you the opportunity to claim it for free. Remember, with the 1 year hosting, you'll be able to get a domain name for 1 year completely for free. In my case, my domain is already registered elsewhere, so I'll just go ahead and select it. Then I click on install WordPress. And now WordPress is installing on my website. I just have to give it a moment to finish installing. Now WordPress has finished installing and I'll be redirected to my dashboard. Awesome. So that's it on how you can get a hosting from Hostinger and also install WordPress. So now if I go to the front end of this very website, I'll open it in a new tab. This is how it will look like. You see that everything is blank. So we are now going to go ahead and copy this whole website and put it on this domain. Take note, the domain for the original website is safenesthub.com, and then that of the new website is fanpreneur.tv. Before I move forward, I just want to go ahead and uninstall all unwanted plugins. To do that, I go over to plugins, then I select all, go to bulk actions, deactivate, apply. I select all again, bulk actions, delete, apply. OK. I can also delete some themes I don't want, so I go over to appearance. This is the current theme. It means that these two themes are not needed, so I just click on theme details, delete, OK. Theme details, delete, OK. Now we have a fresh website where we can copy this very blog website onto. Perfect. So now it's time to clone our original website. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and install a plugin. So I go over to the back end of my website. Then I hover on plugins, click on add plugin. Under search plugin, I search for WP Vivid. WP Vivid is the migration and backup plugin we are going to use in order to clone our website. I click on install now. It is installed. I activate. The plugin is installed and activated, and I'm redirected to the dashboard of the plugin. If you are not being redirected here, you can easily come over to WP Vivid Backup. Then you click on Backup and Restore. It will bring you right here. Under Backup and Restore, this is where we can back up our WordPress website manually. And for this demonstration, we will need both the database as well as the WordPress files. It's already selected, and where we save it is going to be a local backup, which is going to be stored on our web hosting. So I just go ahead and click on Backup now. And the backup process has started. As you can see, the progress. It will be done in a minute. Alright, we have one backup finished. Going down, we have our backup right here. All what we need to do is go ahead and click on download. And from here, we click on download. The size is 56.82 megabytes. And the download has started right here. Alright, the download is completed. The next thing we want to do is go over to our new website, that is fanpreneur.tv. From here, I go to the back end of the website, then I hover on plugins, click on add plugin. Under search plugins, I search for the same plugin, WP Vivid. I have it right here. I click on install now. It is installed. I go ahead and activate it, and I'll be redirected to the plugin dashboard. I scroll down, then I go ahead and click on upload. This is where I upload the file I've just downloaded from this particular website. From here, I'll just click on select files. I have the downloaded folder right here. Take note, it's going to be a zip file. I select it, then I click on open. I have it right here. I go ahead and click on upload. And the upload process is started. As you can see, the progress right here in percentage. So you just have to give it some time to finish uploading. Alright, the upload has completed. I click on OK, and the site will reload. Scrolling down, still on the same interface, you see that I have the same thing I had here, if you can remember. So everything is now here. So instead of downloading this time around, I'll go ahead and click on restore. Take note, we are restoring on the new website, that is the new domain. So I click on restore. Then I go ahead and click on this button, restore. Are you sure you want to continue? I'm sure. So I click on OK, and the restoring has started. It should be noted that you don't have to close this page or switch to other pages when the restoring is still in progress. So you just have to patiently be here for it to finish restoring. Before the completion of the restoring, let's take notice of the menu right here. As you can see, we don't have the same menu like the one we have on the old website. I don't want to navigate there. Let's just see how it will finish restoring. So after the restoration, you will notice that our menu right here will change. How much of menu list you have here will depend upon the number of plugins you are using on your WordPress website. We are almost there. Alright, 100% completed. Restore completed successfully. I click on OK and I'll be logged out from this website, as you can see. Remember, when we're installing WordPress on this website, we use a particular email and a particular password. Those credentials wouldn't work on this website anymore, simply because everything about this website is being derived from the old website we have here. So let's log in using the credentials of this old website. Hit enter and I'll be redirected to my WordPress dashboard. Awesome. And you see that the menu right here has changed significantly. Now if I go to the front end by clicking here, I will get the exact website I have here. If I go to the front end here, it will be the same, even though the domains are different. As you can see, this one is safenesthub.com and the new website is fanpreneur.tv. It should be noted that everything about the new website will have the same information about the old website. So the name and menus, everything, the content is going to be the same. So all you need to do is just go ahead and start changing them, customize it to fit the new website you are building. So that's it on how you can copy your WordPress website onto another domain. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly click on the like button, subscribe if you are new here, and also enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, you can stick around to watch another video on your screen right now. Keep watching and we will talk soon.